Hello, boss. I have a guest today. Placed an order for us. He mainly produces a dry hanging for exterior walls. I'm going to show you the blueprint. It's a steel hanging for the exterior. So after we receive this order to start production, I can finally come to the scene to test the machine today. Let's take a look at one of the effects of his on-site processing. Let's go.
Okay, it's done.
We've just finished cutting it successfully. Then take a look at its effect. There is a flat groove on it. There is a cut on the side. Then there is a steel hanging groove inside, and it's bilateral. Look at this, it's bilateral. Come on, let's take a close-up of our camera. So what about this slotting machine? The biggest highlight, it is because its size adjustment is very convenient. It adjusts the size with a numerical control of C. So let's see. Well, I just showed you our actual cutting effect. If you have anything you want to process, welcome to private message me in the comment area. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you at the factory.